It's no secret that when the boss man is away, the packages still come and stay. Now, that's weird. Anyways, this is a mail time episode, so let's check it out. Show me
the money.
This is from Dispatch. Ooh, look at that. That's a nice strap right there. Quick release strap right from the start. That's what every bag needs. We're getting into it. Has a nice opening. Ooh, it even has different compartments. Is this a gym bag or is it not a gym bag? I can have the best of both worlds all in one. Very nice bag. I like the overall look. Definitely something I would use actually at the gym. Has a nice front pocket as well, so you can have front access things to like your AirPods, wallet, keys, and then inside you can organize it all. You have a laptop sleeve, 2 separate sleeves for organizing, and then just a full compartment for all your clothes. This is the Binho bigger than a board game sports flicking game. It's like a mini foosball game. So you basically take this little marble that they give you, you put it right in the middle. Whoever goes, they start first. Pretty much just like flick it at each other. And then there's these little metal spikes in the middle here that act as players and they block it from actually entering. And the sides made of these like really stretchy material. We tried playing it, we're not very good. But you get the gist. Yeah. And it has like this nice black felt. Oh yeah. Moving on. There's more. Okay, so this is a collab with Wayne Enterprises and Uncrate. Pretty much a Patrick's special project. Antibacterial odor neutralizer. It actually smells kind of good. All right, so this is an eye serum, and I guess it just kind of helps with your baggy eyes, you know, makeup for men. Because come on, it's 2024. We're self-conscious, okay? And then we have a moisturizer, because Lord knows we need that. WE2 Patrick Special Projects Anti-Fatigue Moisturizer. Why does it all smell like candy? Oh. Now, if it was for your face, I'm just testing it on my hands. It's actually, smells very manly. It has this certain musk. So this whole collection though, really very aesthetic. That's what I like about things. All black everything. Look at that. These are from Uncrate, a brand called RGT or Rogue Territory. And they're like those worker jackets, except they have like a twist to it. So it's a Japanese fabric and it kind of resembles a canvas-like material, except it has these lines that go through it. It has 2 pockets on the front. Very solid. Now, if you're feeling Top Gun, these are also from Wayne Enterprises and in collaboration with Uncrate. Very solid build. You have nice hinges as well. So they do have a lightweight frame, and also the fact that they're matte black just makes it 10 times cooler. So this is a luggage from Lojel, and it's the Voja. Pretty unique piece of luggage here. You can see how smooth the wheels are. And they have this massive lock on the side. Open it up. Tons of space. A nice packing area right here that can be zipped up, and then you also have a larger bottom side that can be tied down with these little clips here. You got a pocket right here and another one here. Oh wow, pockets galore. Make our way through it. First bag, this is the City Pack Pro Utility. Very nice material. And they had that nice touch of a green on the inside. Very nice straps. And then they have a large pocket here. Super big open, easy access to everything all at once. Next. So this one, slightly bigger than the last. So this is their Duffel Pack 3. Pretty much like a duffel bag. You have access right down the middle here. You have a lot of organization too in here, so perfect for if you want to carry this every day and then just want to go to the gym at night. Bottom access, bag extension. Look at that. Fit more than just your shoes, that's for sure. Oh, they even have a laptop compartment too. Whole other side here where you can just fit your laptop, your little accessories, wires, and then on top they even have like a whole compartment for other things as well. Wallet, phone, keys. This is nice. This is their sling. This is clean. I would not mind carrying this around too. AER always makes some like really nice stuff. It kind of reminds me of a pencil case, except with a lot more organization. You have multitude of pouches and pockets here, and they got that green in there as well. And notice that they actually have the fid lock for their strap here. Fid lock. I'd wear this, look at that. All right, so a bunch of things from, you guessed it, Bellroy. Look at that. So this is their hide and seek wallet. And it's pretty much a regular wallet, except they have a secret hidden compartment for your cash. All right, so let's say you're walking down the street, all of a sudden Robert comes at you, give me your wallet. And you're like, I want to keep my wallet because I like it, but I'll give you my cash. So you open it, right? You're like, oh, damn, bro, I got no cash. But guess what? There's a hidden compartment underneath this leather flap, and you can pretty much just hide your money away without them actually noticing. So pretty cool. And they also come in a black as well. Nope, that's gray. This is gray. This is black. Blackout, baby. Okay. These are their key covers. And if you ever used your key covers from previously, you know how useful these are. Pretty much a cover for, well, your keys, but you can lock it in and over time it patinas very nicely. It comes in a variety of different colors that you can actually pick. This one being my favorite, the classic brown leather. And it even has this nice little hook area so that you can hook this right onto your keys or any lanyard so you have like quick access. So this is Keychron's latest keyboard, the K2HE, and it pretty much has that classical look that you can expect from a nice, classy keyboard. They do have magnetic switches, so you do get that nice feel. And then on the sides, they also have that nice accenting wood here that pretty much just ties everything together in this keyboard. Oh, it even lights up. Look at that. All right, so for anyone looking for that sick lighting for your iPhone, you don't have to look anymore. This is the Moonside MagLight, and it's pretty much a light, but for your phone. Now, they do have different modes, and it showcases a large array of colors, but what's really cool is the fact that it can, well, bam, light on your phone. So now you have some insane lighting for the back of your phone. Look at that. Look, it's kind of cool. And it's MagSafe, if you didn't get that. Sick. Got it. You added a little spin to that. So these are the Vice Tactile Turn pens, and if you know Tactile Turn, you know that they make some quality pens. And this one's no different. So it has a blue top and a pink and purple clip here with a tiny little palm tree. Very, very Miami. Oh, no, it's a different color. Hold on, wait a minute. They got a second color. So not only do they have the black and pink speckle, they have this beach-like design gradient going on here from blue to sand white. So we got a nighttime version and we got a daytime version. Now we got another jacket here. This one's a little big for me. So this is a bomber style jacket. It has this side pocket here, but they also have this massive pocket on your chest. You could pretty much fit like an iPad in here. God, oh my gosh. Not even, maybe I could fit a laptop. Oh, what the heck? That wasn't all. Very unique design zip going on because, what? My whole side is exposed. What? There's a pocket inside of the pocket. Bro, there's two pockets. What the heck? 1, 2, then the actual pocket that zips everything up. 3, what's going on here? It has this very light material, so you definitely don't feel like anything's weighing you down. Plus, I feel like you could just pack this down in a way in your bag or whatever, and it will like be very compact and minimal. Pocket hoarders, comment down below if you would wear this. Back at it again. This is the MetMo. And what is the MetMo? Well, I'm gonna show you what the MetMo is. Oh, they're right here. Whoops. So this unique looking device is kind of like a screwdriver, except it's cooler. So this pretty much is a super unique ratcheting screwdriver, and it comes in this all metal design. So, you know, it can take a beating. It has this like bolt action design here where you can pretty much like flip on the side and then you can change the direction of where your screw is going, which I think is honestly pretty cool. I don't know about you. Very unique and very, I guess, innovative. Anyways, next. All right, we now have these wallets that come in this very unique packaging. Kind of looks like old school mail. You know it's good leather when it's just thick. Has this really cool design, and they have this little man or face etched into the back and front here, but you pretty much just open it on up and you can fit your cash, wallets, whatever you want in the back here. But you do also have a dedicated card slot for, well, your cards. And then they have this tiny little pocket in the front. Honestly, I'd put an AirTag in there. So this one is a different design. It has a pen slot on the side here, as well as front and back slots for cards, as well as a slot in the middle here. Yo, it has that good leather smell.
It smells like a cow's ass.
Yeah, but you know what? It smells hella good. All right, I'm kind of excited for this one though, because it has these two snap buttons here, and you just kind of, 1, 2, pull them open, and you have a slot for your cards, you know, your wallet stuff, I don't know, cash, if you even have any. But the fact that it just looks super minimal and very flat and clean, that's what I'm all about, baby. And that's about it for mail time. Let us know what you thought your favorite item was in the comments down below. But until next time, adios.